everyone, and first of all I would like to wish you all a very happy new year, and hopefully 2021 will be better than 2020, because 2020 has been rather bad for most of us due to virus and other things. So hopefully next year, as from tomorrow, will be better for all of us. This is just an update, mainly to remind you about the group build that starts on the 2nd of January. The Recon group build on the group build group on Facebook, and we'll post the rules for the group build below below the video, and also obviously on the Facebook group itself. There will be a link to the Facebook group. There's a couple of my current projects. This is for the anti-tank group build that's run by Jawama Model Bow and another channel which, as usual, I keep forgetting the name of. I do apologize. It's going slow, but it's going in the right direction. It's a hammer mode, excuse my pronunciation, a 251/1 converted to a 251/10. It's going to have a cannon on top of it. So that's progressing slowly. I've got figures are all painted up. So they're done. It's just a case of getting the half track done itself. My other current project is this little beauty, this little gem of a kit. I think it's from 1967 originally, I'm not sure, but anyway, a good friend of mine in France sent it to me, and I really appreciate it, and I hope to have it done in the next couple of days. It just needs a bit more paint in the decals, and it's as good as done. It's the Airfix P1127, the Harrier prototype. So yeah, it's a kit I've been wanting for a long time, and thanks to Renault, hope I pronounced her name correctly, apologies if I didn't, currently sent me one, and I'm absolutely over the moon with it. It's brilliant, so thanks for that. As for the upcoming Recon group build, my first entry will be this little Tamiya 138 scale Dingo Recon or scout car, which it's got two figures. I'm hoping to put it on a nice little base with, you know, whatever I can find to stick around it, and that bird, he likes to sing. Anyway, yeah, I hope to make, that should be my first entry, and it's a bit bigger than I normally do. I normally tend to stick to 1/72, but this year I'm hoping to upscale a little bit and do a few larger kits like 48 scale and maybe 35 scale. Time will tell. I do prefer 72nd scale because you can fit a lot more in on a smaller space, on a smaller base. But sometimes it's nice, you know, to upscale a bit and build something different. So that will be my first entry. My second entry, ta-da! Surprise! That Raken. Again, Hasegawa. Like most of my Rakens, they are the best kits there really on the market, whether it's 72nd scale or 48 scale, and this is a 48 scale. I think it's one of the most recent releases, and you can build a Swedish Air Force Recon Draken as shown on the box art. You can build a Danish Recon Draken or a Finnish version. And the one I'm going to build and enter for the group build will be the Finnish, Danish. I'm not sure. I could maybe build a Swedish one. As if I wouldn't do it. As if I would build anything else. And yeah, so that will be my second entry. But obviously, being bigger scales and a lot of more detail, these builds will take longer. So I will build less entries for this group build. Plus, obviously, I'm running it as well. So time will be taken for that rather than building. But I'm looking forward to what everybody else will be building and hope to contribute at least these 2 entries and maybe another one. I'm sure I can find something else to jot in the time given. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say on the matter. Once again, Happy New Year to all of you, and thank you to those who want to take part in the group build, and thank you to everyone else for supporting my channel, to view my videos and leave a comment, much appreciated. But if you don't leave a comment, still appreciated, you know, it's still a view. And well, I'm enjoying YouTube still, and hopefully I'll continue to post videos for the foreseeable future. Maybe not as regular as I used to do with build videos, but I will be group build updates and maybe the odd inbox. I mean, if anyone wants to see an inbox of this one, let me know. I'm quite happy to make an inbox video and share with you all, because it's got quite a few bits in this. It's quite a nice kit, and the options, like I said, splendid. Well, in my opinion anyway, but then I am a Draken fanatic. So yeah, that's it. I won't edit this video in any way. You have to take me as you find me. Yeah, Happy New Year to everyone, and happy modeling.